Hello everyone, welcome to part 102 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 8. So in this video we are going to integrate the SMS API. Okay, so see the SMS API that we want to integrate, we can use for number of things here. When the user will register to our e-commerce website, we can send the SMS to every user, welcome to the website, avail offers, okay, such kind of SMS we can send to the new users. And also when the user place the order in our website, then again we will send the SMS to the user as well. Okay, so nowadays you can see, you can log into any of the website like Amazon, you can register there and you can check that you will also get the SMS from the websites. So nowadays a lot of website used to send the SMS, okay, to its users. So we will see that how to integrate that SMS API. I will tell you the process, but you need to buy the package from online. Okay, so see, first of all, download the SMS script that you can download from sidemakers.in website, and you can go to here stack developers, and you will get the free script here. Just scroll, download free SMS API script. Okay, you will click here to download, and here you just need to add stack developers as username, and password is Laravel with Amit, like same like we have done with that downloading template earlier. Okay, Laravel with Amit, and you can log in. Okay, you can now able to download this one. Download free SMS API script with curl, use with any third-party SMS API. This one I have made for you so that you will learn how to send SMS with the curl. Okay, so you can see that file have downloaded, and you can check there. You can unzip this file and you will check this SMS API.php. Okay, so here is the curl script. Okay, so the curl script will help you to send the SMS from your website, and with this curl script we are going to hit the third party. This is the third party URL that we want to hit, and these are the parameters that we want to use to send the SMS. Okay, so I will tell you now to clear that how you can send the SMS. Okay, uh, send SMS from website. Okay, so see, I want to send SMS from website. See, various things I require here. So we require the first thing is we require SMS API package. Okay, so you need to register with any of the SMS website, like the website that provides the SMS API package. You need to buy this package. Okay, buy package. Okay, and when you will buy, you will get the API key. Okay, I am going to show you like one of the website that I have buy. You can see this one is the website that I have seen, looks fine. Okay, there are more also, you can check out. Okay, so fast2sms.com, you can just open this website and sign up with this website with your mobile, email, full name and DOB, and then they will provide you all necessary details. And see here their API docs is you can check out. Okay, in API docs you can check, this is the curl. Okay, so these are the variables they will provide you. Okay, so see, two things we need to do here. They will provide you one is the callback URL. Okay, or you can see the SMS API URL. Okay, SMS API URL. Okay, and another one is the parameters, SMS parameters. Okay, so provided by third party, okay, so this one also provided by third party. Okay, see, Now see what we are going to do. See, curl will help. See, curl will help us to hit SMS API URL and help us to send parameters from our end. See, parameters, there are two parameters, mobile and message and SMS message. Okay, mobile and message we are going to send from our end. Okay, and rest of the parameters we require for authentication. We require for authentication that third party will provide us. That third party will provide us. Okay, so I hope that this is little bit clear to you. It is bit tough to explain as well, but I hope that it is little bit clear to you. So see, so here I am going to show you. See, these are the parameters provided by the SMS API. Okay, so in this one, authorization, they will provide you this SMS API key. Okay, and you will just simply paste this key here. And sender ID, see, by default when they will provide you some free SMS, this is the sender ID, their default sender ID. But when you will buy the package, this sender ID you are going to replace with your own sender ID, like your website name, like your e-commerce website name. If Amazon, then here you are going to add the Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Okay, like the Amazon used to do. Okay, so then you are going to replace it with your sender ID. Okay, you can able to add your sender ID in your SMS package. And the message you will send your own SMS message. Okay, like this is the test SMS from Stack Developers YouTube channel. You can add of your own, like welcome to my website. You can avail welcome to the e-commerce website, whatever it is. Okay, we are going to send that message. See, number is the number of the user who registers to our website. Like some user comes and register with his mobile, and to this mobile we are going to send the SMS to this mobile only. Okay, so this is the number of the user. Okay, so see, we are going to encode these all parameters and will pass to the third party. This is the third party URL. Like I am telling you about the third party URL. See, this one is the third party URL that that provided by the means SMS API. Okay, this is the SMS API URL provided by the third party. Okay, so these are the parameters I am talking about. Two of the parameters we will send, and rest of the parameters the SMS API going to provide us, means third party is going to provide us. Okay, so I think that this is little bit clear to you. So for sending the SMS, see, if you are going to work with either this this third party or any other third party, they are going to provide you such kind of API in which you are going to see like number of authorization. Like first one is the authorization key. Okay, so sign up for the API key. It means that you need to sign up to the website, and they will provide you this key, and you are going to replace this key with your own key. Okay, so like this one, sender ID also. They will provide you, create your own custom 6-digit sender ID. Okay, so you can create your own sender ID. So see, everything is provided there with the help documentation as well. Whether you will join Fast2SMS or any other website, you can search online SMS package for website. Okay, like this you can search, and you will get number of service providers who can give you package of the SMS. Okay, so see, now our Laravel work will start here. You got the SMS package. Now you want to integrate. Also, see, I have provided you the free curl script. This is the free curl script, not provided by the SMS package. See, they will not provide you. See, I have provided you this third party. Now only thing, you need to replace your authorization, you need to replace your sender ID, and you need to integrate this third party script in your website. Okay, that we are going to do right now. So we will take the few steps here. See, first of all, I am going to create one model. Okay, so let's create one model here. See, this is my project name, and I am going to run here PHP artisan make model, and I am going to make the model like SMS. Okay, so model has been created, so I can open the model here SMS. Okay, so here I am going to create one function like public function send SMS like this. Okay, so in this function I am going to send $message and $mobile that we can send to the third party. Okay, and I will also declare it as static public static function send SMS. Okay, so I'm going to copy from this is the script that I have provided you, so I will simply copy this one here. Okay, so you can see here, see, these are two things as message and mobile. I am going to pass from the user. A message is our predefined, and mobile we are going to send the user mobile. Whatever mobile user will use to register, we are going to send that mobile here. Okay, so these two are dynamic from our end, and rest are provided by the third party. I have already told you that authorization provided by the third party, sender ID provided by the third party. You will add your own sender ID, whatever you required. Okay, and language will be English and route will be P, and this one, this script you are going to use like this, and URL will be of the third party URL that the third party will provide you. Okay, so you can hit this SMS API. So I am going to hit for the register SMS. So I am going to call this function in register user function in users controller. Okay, so here in this function I am going to call every time when the user will register, and here I will write like send register SMS. Okay, so here first task is message. We are going to decide some message. We will send some message to like dear customer, uh, uh, thanks for or thanks for registering to our website with e-commerce. Thanks for you have been successfully registered with e-com website. Login to your account to assess orders. Okay, and offers, and you to assess orders and available offers. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Okay, like this. So next thing is $mobile. We are already having the mobile here from the user. See $data mobile. See, we are already getting the mobile from the user. Okay, so this mobile we can pass in mobile variable, and these two things we are going to use that SMS model here, and going to send that to that SMS API. Okay, $message and $mobile. Okay, so this is done. Okay, with this you just need to add here SMS model as well. Use SMS. That is done. Now you can send the SMS to the user. See, script is done. This is the valid script. I have tested with this one. Okay, but I will not use my number here. Okay, so you can try at your end. Okay, you can get the free account from here and follow these steps, SMS will definitely go. And if in case you will find any issue, you can surely contact me, and see, SMS will surely go if you will follow these steps. Okay, so everything is clear to you that how to send SMS. You just need to call the SMS API here, and you can send the SMS message and mobile here, and from here we are picking the message and mobile, and we are sending to the third party. We are using the curl request so that we can hit the third party API. Okay, and you can see, you can also try this documentation here. You can see this API documentation. You can hit this URL as well in the URL in here as well. Okay, for this you just need to replace this API key with the API key provided by the third party, provided by them, and this one will remain the same, because this is the default sender ID that you can use for testing the API, and this is the message you can send of your own. Okay, language equal to English remains same, route will be P. Okay, and number you can here type your own number, only one number you can type, no issue. Okay, you can add multiple as well, but you can add your own number as well. Okay, so replace these numbers with your number, and you can try the script online. Okay, and also see this one. Okay, so this code is not required at the end. Okay, you can just remove and add your number here, 9812343778. Okay, and press enter, SMS will come to you. Okay, so same thing is happening with this curl script as well. Only difference is that this one we required to integrate like this, otherwise SMS will not go from your website. Okay, so you can try this at your end and get it done. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.